Hi everybody, welcome. Today I have the HP DreamColor monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily change or manage your power settings in your monitor. So, at first you have to click the button which is in the bottom right corner at the back of your monitor and click on it once again. Here scroll down to power, click on the power. And the first thing we can see is power mode. We can enable performance or enable power saver. The power saver is an option which is the following monitor functions will be disabled during low power sleep and power off states. USB-C video, USB hub/ports, wake from sleep via PC. The performance one just have all the functions enabled. We can switch between these two just by a single click. Give me a moment, I left it. As you can see, the second option we have here is auto sleep mode. We have here on or off. We can switch between these two. Here we have power on recall. We can disable or enable power on recall, as you can see. And here we have power LED. You can disable power LED or enable it back. Power LED light is just here, as you can see, in the bottom right corner of the monitor. You can see it disabling and enabling. And we can reset power settings using this button here. As you can see, power mode, power saver is automatically set. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.